Imagine a place so deep, so dark, that sunlight has never touched it. Welcome to the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of our planet's oceans. Today we are diving into secrets hidden in the deep sea. The Mariana Trench plunges nearly 36,000 feet below the ocean's surface. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. If you dropped Mount Everest into the trench, it would still be underwater by over a mile.
At these crushing depths, the pressure is over 1,000 times what we feel at sea level. Imagine trying to survive under the weight of 50 jumbo jets stacked on top of you. That's what life here endures every day.
Despite this extreme environment, life thrives. Strange glowing creatures drift in the darkness. These are species you won't find anywhere else on Earth. Alien-like, luminous, and perfectly adapted to the deep.
One of the most famous residents is the giant amphipod, a shrimp-like creature that grows surprisingly large here. And then there are the deep-sea fish with enormous gaping jaws designed to snatch any prey that comes too close.
The trench also hides mysteries beyond biology. Deep-sea explorers have discovered unexplained sounds. Some call them the Bloop, a mysterious noise detected thousands of miles away. Scientists still debate its source. Human exploration is incredibly challenging. Only a handful of manned missions have ever reached the bottom. In 1960, the Trieste submarine took 2 men to the Challenger Deep, the trench's deepest point.
Modern technology allows unmanned submersibles to capture breathtaking footage. These robots withstand extreme pressure, exploring canyons and volcanic formations hidden miles below.
But it's not just geology and biology. The trench acts as a massive carbon sink, helping regulate our planet's climate. Every discovery here helps us understand Earth in ways we never imagined.
And yet, even with all this knowledge, the Mariana Trench remains one of the least explored places on Earth. Imagine the secrets still waiting. Creatures, ecosystems, and phenomena we haven't even imagined.
Deep sea life challenges our understanding of biology. Some creatures survive without sunlight, feeding off chemical reactions from hydrothermal vents. It's life reinvented in darkness.
Scientists continue to uncover new species at staggering depths. Each new discovery reminds us of how much we still don't know about our own planet.
The Mariana Trench is more than just the deepest ocean. It's a reminder of Earth's mysteries, a world of extremes, and a place where life finds a way against all odds.
Exploring the trench inspires innovation, pushing engineers and scientists to create vessels, cameras, and robots that can survive where humans cannot. So next time you gaze at the ocean, remember, beneath the waves lies a world so alien, so mysterious, it could be another planet. The Mariana Trench, the final frontier of our oceans.